Hey guys, in this video we are going to discuss the question set number 31 in our DBMS question series. They have given a scenario here. The bill book system is used to keep information on the bills of the shoe store called Earlier Shoes Center. This method is used for a long time, but using this method will embarrass the shop owner and employees. The accountant working in the shop pointed out to the shop owner the disadvantages of the bill book system. Disadvantages pointed out were the loss of bill books, damage to bill books, and the need for separate space for storing bill books. Because of these factors, the store owner realized that the bill book system is difficult to use and decided to use computer software. The software was developed by AI Soft, a company, a software development company. You work as a senior software engineer at this company. You and your team are tasked with creating the database of this software. Create the required ER diagram for that. To do this, follow the instructions below. Name the database as earlier. So here we have to create a database. I use MySQL Workbench for that. So DB name is Earlier Shoe Center. So we have created the database, and first question says create a user table for storing the information of all the customers and all the suppliers in the store as shown below. So we have to create a table. Table name is user. First column name is user ID. Data type is int, and it should be primary key and auto increment. The second column name is first name. Data type is watcher 45, and second column name is last name. Data type is watcher length 45. After that, contact number. Data type is watcher length is 10. The last column name is status. Data type is int. Okay, we have created our user table. The second question says create a gender table to storing the gender of all the customers and all the suppliers in the store. So we have to create gender table. First column name is gender ID. Data type is int. Primary key and auto increment. Second column name is gender name. Gender name, data type Vacha, length is 10. Okay, we have created our gender table also. After that, third question says create a table named user type to store the type of software users to do so. Use the instructions below. So we have to create a table to store the user types. Table name is user type. First column name is user type ID. User type ID. Data type is int, and it should be primary key and auto increment. Second one is user type name. User type name. Data type is watcher and the length is 45. Okay, we have created the user type table also. The first question says create a system login table to store the login details of software users. So, table name is system login, and the first column name is login ID. The second one is username. Username data type is watch and the length is 20. Login ID is primary key and auto increment. And the last column name is password. Password data type is watcher and the length is 45. Okay, we have created the system login table also. And the fifth question says create a table called address to store the addresses of the software user. To do this, use the instructions below. So we have to create a table called user, address. The first column name is address ID. Data type is int and primary key and auto increment. And the second column name is number. Data type is watch and the length is 45. Third one is street. Street 1. Street 1. The data type is watch and length is 45. And the last column name is street 2. Data type is watch and the length is 45. Okay. The last question says create a table called city to store the cities of the software users addresses. To do so, use these instructions below. So here we have to create the table called city. The first column name is city ID. And the data type is int, and it should be primary key and auto increment. And the last column name is city name. Data type is watch and the length is 45. Okay. These are the requirements of question set number 31. We'll meet from the question set number 32. Thank you.